Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw Pinocchio. So before we get started with our drawing today, please feel free to like and comment and subscribe because I love when you do, and it helps out the channel a lot. Alright folks, don't forget that we still have a contest going on right now at Daily Doodles, and all the information for that is going to be in the description box below the video. Okay, so let's get started on our drawing. So I'm actually going to draw Pinocchio with a little bit of a big nose, so it's going to seem like maybe he was telling a few lies. But I'm going to start with the nose. So it's going to be a bit long because he had a few fibs. And then from there, I'm going to do a oval shape like that. And then do a circle inside that, and we can color that in dark. And then that's going to be one of his eyes. And then give a little bit of space and we'll do that other eye. And color that in dark. Alrighty, so now let's give him a cute little smile. And let's start rounding out his face shape. Alright, so I'm going to give him a little ear right here, and we can see a little bit of his ear on that side too. And now he's going to have a hat. So we're going to do a bit of a curve here, and then coming up on both sides, like that. But now right here, this little bare spot, I'm going to give him a little bit of hair. So just like a V shape, kinda. Just a little bit of hair. And his hat, before we do any more of his hat, I'm gonna give it a little feather. So I just did like the shape of a leaf, and I'm just gonna do a few little lines there. And now we can come on up and come on back down and give the hat a ribbon. Alright, so far I think it's really, really cute. Alright, so next, let's see, let's give him a bow tie. Alright, so now after the bow tie, let's give him a vest. It's going to be an open vest. So like that. And now a line right here for the shirt he's wearing underneath the vest. And we can give him a little sleeve here and a sleeve right there. And he'll wear some shorts. Like that. And let's see, let's give him a leg. Like that, kind of like a noodle. And we'll give him another one. And now for his shoes, we're going to do the cuff of his shoe like that. And we'll do a bit of a hump here. And then come on in. And we'll do similar shape over here. Okay, but it's just in a different direction. And now he needs hands, arms and hands. So let's see. Arm like that. And he's wearing gloves. So we did two little curved shapes like that. And now I'm gonna make his hands, the gloves he's wearing, I'm gonna make them almost like mittens. So you can't actually see like individual finger shapes. Just like a mitten. And same over here. And a little thumb. And the rest of the mitten. Okay, so I think he's super, super cute. I'm gonna thicken up some of my lines. And I'm also gonna give him some little blushy marks here. Maybe he's a little bit embarrassed about those lies he told. And so after I thicken some lines up with my black marker, then I'm gonna go in with some color. Alright everyone, so we are done our picture of Pinocchio. I hope you had fun drawing with me, and I hope you have a really, really good day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Alright everybody, bye!